purity. Based on purity, semiconductor can be classified into two types: intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. So pure semiconductor without any doping, without any impurities is known as intrinsic semiconductor. Impure form of semiconductor is known as extrinsic semiconductor. So purest form of semiconductor is known as intrinsic semiconductor. Impure form of semiconductor is known as extrinsic semiconductor. Impure means your materials will be doped with some other material. ஏதோ ஒரு impurity நம்ம add பண்றோம். Any external ஏதோ ஒரு foreign element we are adding. That kind of material is known as extrinsic semiconductor. எதுவுமே add பண்ணல, by nature it has some band gap, means that kind of material is known as pure semiconductor, is known as intrinsic semiconductor. ஏதாவது ஒரு டோபண்ட் ஆட் பண்றோம், ஒரு impurity ஆட் பண்றோம், it will exist some band gap, means that kind of material is known as extrinsic semiconductor. Okay, so for example, for intrinsic semiconductors are silicon, germanium, etc., gallium and all those things. And example for extrinsic semiconductor is, in extrinsic semiconductor you will be having two types: one is n type, one is p type. What is n type? In n type, majority charge carrier is electron. In p type, majority charge carrier is hole. Okay, so n means negative, majority charge carrier is electrons. P means positive, so here majority charge carrier is holes. So extrinsic semiconductor, impure form of semiconductor can be classified into two types: n-type semiconductor and p-type semiconductor. So example for n-type semiconductor, all the pentavalent atoms are example for n-type semiconductor: phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, all those things. P-type semiconductor, all the trivalent atoms are example for p-type semiconductor: boron, aluminum, gallium, etc. These are the example for extrinsic semiconductor.